Let's start our today's class. Application of trigonometry from paper 2. Exercise 12.1, fourth problem. Exercise 12.1, fourth problem. 12.1, fourth problem. Yeah, I'm reading the question. The length of the shadow of a 15 meters high pole is 15√3 meters at 7 o'clock in the morning. Then what is the angle of elevation of the sun rays with the ground at the same time? Length of the shadow. See, this is the pole. ये pole है माँ. Okay. This is the pole. And height of the pole is given. Okay. Height of the pole is given. And a length of the shadow of 15 meters high pole. The height of the pole is 15 meters. ये पोल का शैडो का भी लेंथ दे दिया माँ. हम कभी भी ठहरे तो हमारा शैडो कहाँ पड़ता माँ? हमारा शैडो फ्लोर के ऊपर पड़ता. ओके, सो दिस इज द शैडो ऑफ द पोल. सो द लेंथ ऑफ द शैडो ऑफ द पोल इज ऑल्सो गिवन 15√3. we have to find this angle. So let's label the figure and write about the figure. A, B, C. AB is height of the pole. AC is length of the shadow. AB is height of the pole, that is 15 meters given. AC is length of the shadow, that is 15√3 is given. Angle of elevation we are taking as theta. We have to find this. Consider the triangle. In a triangle ABC, angle A is 90 degrees and angle ACB is equals to theta. क्या दिया हुआ माँ? एडजेसेंट में आपको हमेशा हम बोली माँ हाइट और डिस्टेंस दिया तो हम कभी भी क्या फाइंड करेंगे, क्या लेंगे माँ? tan theta is equals to AB, that is opposite. AB is opposite by adjacent, that is AC. O by A. चलिए अब सब्स्टिट्यूट करिए माँ. AB is how much? 15 by AC is how much? 15√3. Cancel this. So tan theta is equals to 1 by √3. tan theta is equals to, हमको ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक टेबल में tan की 1 by √3 वैल्यू कब रही थी? दैट इज tan 30. आप लोग को टेबल बनाना सब करना सब सिखा दिए थे माँ. tan 30 is 1 by √3. tan get cancel. So theta is equals to 30 degrees. Therefore, the angle of elevation of the sun's rays with the ground is 30 degrees. Is it clear? Now next problem. Sixth question. Suppose you are shooting an arrow from a top of a building. Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of a building at a height of 6 meters to a target on the ground at an angle of depression of 60 degrees. What is the distance between you and the object? See, again I am reading the question and drawing the figure. Suppose you are shooting an arrow from a top of the building. This is the building. Okay, from the top of the building you are shooting an arrow. Okay, you are shooting. This is the top of the building at an height of 6 meters. The height of the building is 6 meters. And you are shooting a target which is on the ground, making an angle of how much? Making an angle of 60 degrees. Okay. ये 60 रहा तो ये भी 60 रहता वहाँ. These two lines are parallel, alternate interior angles are equal, so this becomes 60. चलिए अब आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? डिस्टेंस बिटवीन A, B, C. What is the distance between you? You are on the top of the building. आप यहाँ पर है. Distance between you and this is the object. The distance between you and object, that is BC, you have to find. Write about the figure, description about. See, AB is the height of the building, that is 6 meter it is given. C is the target which you are shooting from the top of the building. C is the target. BC is the distance between you and the target. This you have to find. Angle of depression हम ऊपर से नीचे देख रहे हैं. So angle of depression is how much? 60 degrees. Now in triangle in triangle ABC, angle A is equals to 90 degrees and angle ACB is equals to 60 degrees. हमको क्या find करना है? Distance between you and the target, that is hypotenuse. That means whenever the hypotenuse is there, you are going to take sine or cos any value जहाँ पर h रहता O by h. Hypotenuse हमको find करना O by h. That is O क्या है आपका? Opposite to theta AB. O is AB. H is what? BC. थीटा की वैल्यू कितनी दे दी माँ? साइन 60. साइन 60 इज इक्वल्स टू AB 6 बाई BC. साइन 60 वैल्यू इज √3/2. √3/2 इज इक्वल्स टू 6 बाई BC. चलिए क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए माँ. 6 2 ज़ा 12. सो BC √3 is equals to 12. BC is equals to 12 by √3. रेशनलाइज कर दीजिए इसको माँ. √3 को इंटू √3. दैट इज BC is equals to 12 √3 by 3. BC is equals to 12 √3 into √3 is 3. 12 into √3 is 12 √3. √3 into √3 is 3. 3 1s are 3. 4s are 12. So BC is 4 √3. Therefore, the distance between you and target is 4 √3 meters. Now next question, 7th question. An electrician wants to repair an electric connection on a pole of height 9 meters. Pole of 9 meters. An electrician wants to repair on an electric connection of a pole of 9 meters, of an height of 9 meters. He need to reach 1.8 meters below the top of the pole to do the repair work. What should be the length of the ladder which he use? यानी ये आपका क्या हो गया माँ? लेंथ ऑफ द पोल हो गया. उसको काम करने के लिए थोड़ा सा नीचे आना पड़ता है. नीचे आके यहाँ पर बैठ के करना पड़ता. तो here he is going to put a ladder. Here he is going to put the ladder. Now question is like what should be the length of the ladder? Length of the ladder यानी ये पॉइंट आपको फाइंड करना है. व्हाट शुड बी द लेंथ ऑफ द लैडर? द होल पोल, द लेंथ ऑफ दिस होल वन इज 9 मीटर्स. लेकिन उन्हें काम कितना करना माँ? ये 1.8 मीटर्स बिलो यहाँ तक. तो हमको जब ट्रायंगल जो बन रहा है हमको यहाँ से कंसिडर करना है. सो हमारा ये वाला पार्ट कितना हो जाता माँ? 9 minus 1.8, दैट बिकम्स 7.2 meters. ये कितना हो गया माँ अपना? 7.2 meters. What should be the length of ladder he is going to use? First आपको ये find करना है. और next what should be the length of the ladder he should use when he climbs it at an angle of 60 degrees. ये 60 degrees दे दिया. Okay, length of ladder. And one more thing, इसमें 2 bits है. What is the distance between foot of the ladder and foot of the pole? ये भी find करना है. Okay, now let's label the figure. A, B, C. Yeah, AC is the height of the pole given. AC is the height of the pole. B is a point where the repair work has to be done. यहाँ पर बैठ के करना है. So B is a point where repair work has to be done. So AB will be what? AB will be 9 minus 1.8, that is 7.2. Now we have to find BC, that is length of the ladder, and AC, that is the distance between the foot of the pole and the foot of the ladder. This both we have to find. Now consider triangle. In a triangle ABC, angle A is equals to 90 degrees and angle ACB is equals to 60 degrees. मैं sketch pen use कर. Angle ACB is equals to 60 degrees. First we are going to find the length of the ladder. Ladder hypotenuse. Whenever the hypotenuse is there, we are going to use sin theta. Sin theta is equals to O by H, old Henry, that is O opposite to theta, that is AB by H is what? BC. Sin theta की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई माँ? Sin 60 इज इक्वल्स टू AB 7.2 आ गया बाई BC. Sin 60 वैल्यू √3 by 2 is equals to 7.2 by BC. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दो माँ. BC √3 is equals to 7.2 into 2. So BC is equals to 7.2 into 2, that is nothing but 14.4 by √3. This we got it as length of ladder. We got the length of ladder. Now we have to find AC. AC is what? Distance between the foot of the pole and the foot of the ladder. हमको ये एडजेसेंट वैल्यू फाइंड करना है मैं. एडजेसेंट, ये टीटा है, ये ऑपोजिट है, ये एडजेसेंट. मैं आपको हमेशा बोल रही हाइट या डिस्टेंस, ये बोल तो डिस्टेंस ही है ना. मैं हाइट और डिस्टेंस कभी भी दिया तो tan थीटा यू शुड यूज इट. सो tan थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू O by A, दैट इज AB by AC. tan थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू AB by AC. tan थीटा की वैल्यू कितनी दे दी है माँ? tan 60 इज इक्वल्स टू आपको tan 60 इज इक्वल्स टू AB आ गया माँ 7.2 बाई AC. tan 60 वैल्यू √3 इज इक्वल्स टू 7.2 बाई AC. इसको इधर भेज दो माँ. AC √3 इज इक्वल्स टू 7.2. AC is equals to 7.2 by √3. रेशनलाइज कर दीजिए माँ. दैट इज 7.2 √3 by 3. 3 1 जा 3 2 जा 6, एक बचा यहाँ पर 2 3 1 जा 3 2 जा 6, 3 4 जा 12, दैट इज 2.4 √3. √3 की वैल्यू 1.732 है माँ. मल्टीप्लाई विद दिस एंड गेट द फाइनल आंसर, दैट इज 2.4 into 1.732. मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए आप. 4.1568 meters. Therefore distance between Therefore, the distance between foot of the pole and the foot of the ladder is 4.1568 meters. Eighth question. A boat has to cross a river. It crosses the river by making an angle of 60 with the bank of the river due to the stream of the river and travel a distance of 600 meters to reach the other side of the river. Question number 8. A boat has to cross a river. It crosses the river by making an angle of 60 degrees with the bank of the river due to the stream of the river and travels a distance of 600 meters to reach the other side of the river. What is the width of the river? See, this is the river. Okay, these are the two banks, that is दो किनारे है. Banks means किनारे of the river. Okay, to travel, a boat is traveling from this bank to other side, from one bank to the other bank, making an angle of 60 degrees. Is it clear? You have to find the width of the river. चलिए इसको अब हम लेबल कर देंगे माँ A, B, C, D. AC and BD is same. See, theta is here. So BD is what? Opposite to theta. हमको BD फाइंड करने का है. Width of the river. Let's write about the figure. AB and CD are the banks of the river. CB is the path covered by the boat, that is 600 meters. This is also given. We have to find the width of the river, that is AC or BD. This is width of the river. ये या ये कुछ भी ले सकते हैं आप. Since this is your theta, this becomes your opposite side and this is hypotenuse. आपको ये थीटा दिया हुआ है, so this is opposite and hypotenuse is given. Opposite and we have to find opposite and hypotenuse is given. हमको BD फाइंड करना है. BD is nothing but opposite to the theta. आपको opposite to the theta, that is BD फाइंड करना है and hypotenuse is given. So which value we are going to use? Sin theta. Okay, that is sin 60 is equals to BD, that is opposite, that is nothing but BD, by hypotenuse is nothing but BC. CB or BC, this is 90 degrees. Okay, अरे हम लिखे इसमें ना माँ. Angle D is 90 degrees in a triangle BCD. Angle D is 90 degrees. Okay, चलिए. Sin 60 की वैल्यू क्या है माँ? √3/2 is equals to BD by BC is given as 600. Cross multiply. 2BD is equals to 600 √3. So BD is equals to 600 √3/2. 2 ones are 300. The answer is 300 √3. Therefore, width of the river is 300 √3 meters. Once again, I'll explain you this question. See, these are the two banks of the river. The boat is traveling from one bank to the another bank, making an angle of 60 degrees. We have to find the width of the river. ये आपका theta है माँ. So this part is opposite to theta. हम ये वाला triangle consider कर रहे हैं. Is it clear? Which triangle we are considering? BCD, ये वाला triangle consider करें. Using sin 60, we'll get the answer. Now let's move to the next question. Ninth question. An observer of height 1.8 meters is 13.2 meters away from a palm tree. This is a palm tree. This is a tree. An observer of height 1.8 meters is 13.2 meters away from a palm tree. This is a palm tree. This is an observer of height 1.8 meters and the distance between an observer and palm tree is 13.2 meters. This is given. The angle of elevation of the top of the tree, angle of elevation of the top of the tree from the eye is 45. From the eye is how much? 45. कितना बन रहा है? 45. What is the height of the tree? ये पूरी height of the tree आपको find करना है. This is 1.8 meters. So that means this is also 1.8 meters. अब देखिए माँ 13.2 meters away है. So ये भी क्या हो गया माँ? 13.2 meters. ये भी distance आ गया. Now let's label the figure. A, B, C, D, E. Write about the figure. Let's write about the figure. AB is the height of the observer, that is 1.8 meter. CD is the height of the palm tree, which I have to find. BD is the distance between the observer and the palm tree, that is 13.2 meters. Okay, 13.2 meters. हमको क्या फाइंड करना है मैं? Now consider the triangle. हम कौन सा वाला triangle consider कर रहे हैं? ACE. Consider triangle ACE. We know that AE is perpendicular to CD. So that means this is 90 degrees. Angle E is equals to 90 degrees. And angle CAE is equals to 45 degrees. हमको CE फाइंड करना है. when we are considering this triangle हमको CE फाइंड करना है. देखिए यहाँ पर भी फिर हाइट और डिस्टेंस मतलब विच फॉर्मूला यू आर गोइंग टू यूज? tan theta is equals to O by A. That is CE by AE. थीटा की जगह हम लोग क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे? 45. tan 45 degrees is equals to CE by AE is how much? 13.2. Tan 45 value is 1 is equals to CE by 13.2. Cross multiply कर दो मत. CE is equals to 13.2 meters. हमको ये वाला भी आ गया CE. CD is what? CD is equals to CE plus DE. That is 13.2 plus 1.8. This becomes 15 meters. Therefore, height of palm tree is equals to 15 meters. This is all for today. Have a good day. Bye.